Welcome to my beauty studio.
She do it with finesse. She do it with finesse. Soft flow, tell them. DW, tell them something now. Soft flow, tell them. DW, tell them something now. Yeah. She do it with finesse. She do it with finesse. The lifestyle, the beauty, the fashion. Welcome to the gang. Welcome to the. Welcome to the gang. Welcome to the. Welcome to the gang. Welcome to the.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Derin. For today's video, I decided to do a little twist. So I decided to do a makeover to a spare room in my house, and I decided to turn it to a beauty studio. It's still in the process. I'm not done. Obviously, it still looks a bit undone, just a tiny little bit. But I just decided to show you guys what it looks like now, 18 days after I initially started. A lot of changes will still happen definitely, and I might put you guys in the know. So when you come in right from the door, the first thing you will see is this flower shelf. I honestly haven't done so much on this shelf. I have that favorite coat. I got that coat in £1 shelf. And you know, the wordings just really does it for me. I've had this coat for over a year now, and it literally just always does it for me. I just like that coat. I like to look at it before I go out in the morning. Not like I come into this room every day, but yeah, I do sometimes. Yeah, so the shelf basically just has a few of my personal belongings. These are some body splashes. This is some perfumes. This is obviously a speaker. I would always turn on the music when I'm filming. So for instance, I can do that right now, but no, we're not going to do that today.
Bluetooth power
So
off.
when you come right to the table here, I've got this table made by a local carpenter. Guys, don't underestimate these carpenters. They actually know their craft. As long as you know what you want to do, they will bring it to life. So I saw this vanity table on Pinterest, and my carpenter Carpenter Kehinde brought it to life. This particular vanity table has a lot of drawers, but I know that they will come in handy eventually. So for now, they're a bit scanty. I have just a few makeups I just bought. I put them in the drawers, and I have some other makeup here. I have a few personal belongings like my wigs, my airbrushes, my hair stuff and everything in the drawers, and my cameras are always here. I'm filming with one right now, but yeah, I have my extras here or in the drawer. I have some makeup here. This air freshener smells good, guys. I bought this air freshener in Iponri, and it's been serving me. It's almost done. I need to refill. I have my wig ads, few of my wigs. These ones are here because I recently won them. That's why they're here, so it means I use them. The other ones would be in the drawer. If you come right to this corner, I have my ring light. It's permanently here. It never moves. I have this mirror that this local guy did for me. I really like this mirror, guys. I like it because it's full, so when I'm dressed up, I can literally see myself full. Then I have this table, this cute wardrobe stand. Honestly, I don't know what to call this. I don't know if it's a shelf. I just know that I had it made by a local carpenter. I've had this for over a year now. Yeah, I've actually had this for over a year. It has a few of my belongings, my bags, my shoes, and yeah, just a few of the things that I love dearly are here. And this is the toilet door. I don't think I should bother you guys with that detail. This is my wig head. I was literally filming. I was doing my wig just before this video. This is my favorite part of this room. This chair was made by a carpenter called Saeed. I saw this as well on Pinterest, and he brought this to life. This is also a very cute space that I just really love to be here. Sometimes I'm just here reading a book or just doing, I don't know, I'm just always here. It's just really cute. I love being here. I have this wardrobe. I'm not going to show you guys anything in the wardrobe because there's really nothing in this wardrobe. I haven't thought of what I'm going to do. I might change the color of this to white, but at the same time, I'm trying not to alter too much in someone else's house. You get what I mean? I'm a tenant, so I don't know. I might end up getting this wrapped up with white. I don't know. So just so it matches the room. I got the floor done as well. I love the pink rug. Yeah, I did talk about this chair. So basically, I got this chair from a local shop. They had this chair in another color, so I bought the chair off the guy and gave it to my carpenter Said to make it look like the chair. So yeah, I have a frame of my cute face over here, and yeah, that's just basically how the room looks. Like I said, there are a lot of changes that might still come to this room. A lot, not even might, there are a lot of changes that will definitely come to this room. I'm definitely going to do more with this drawer, but most importantly, this is where I'm going to be doing my makeup, getting that face beat for you guys. Yeah, this is basically the table. I'm going to be doing all of that. I'm going to be doing most of the talking in that space. Besides that, I feel like a few things will change in the room, like I said, but most definitely most of the changes already happened. The other things that would come would just be a little addition. So guys, that will be end of today's video. If you did enjoy watching me show you what my beauty room looks like, please do not forget to click the like button, because your like will go a long way in encouraging me and making my video better. So guys, that will be the end, like I said. And if you're not already subscribed, please click the subscribe button so that you can get notifications of my new videos when it drops. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.
Welcome to the gang, gang. Welcome to the gang.